What's up, everyone? This is Sunny back again with your Gong tip of the week. One of the biggest questions we asked across all these interviews we did with users at Gong was if we had to take away everything in the platform and you can only keep one workflow, what would it be? It's a really powerful question because it gets us to the most impactful part of the platform for that person really quickly. For Elvis Lieben, our product marketing manager and fellow F1 racing aficionado, his answer was simple and he had it right away. It was Ticklers. You might have heard Elvis talk about this before in the webinars that he's done, but Ticklers are essentially alerts that you can create in Gong. The reason why these are so important for Elvis is for him to do his job well, which is to go gather insights from our market, from our customers and our prospects, to bring back to our go-to-market teams, develop playbooks, and refine messaging that enable them to win. He needs to essentially be plugged into the market and into Gong constantly. Now, if you spend any time trying to find things in Gong, you know that it can be pretty overwhelming. There's a lot of noise among the signals that Elvis is trying to find. To make it easy for himself, he uses alerts. So a good example is in the period of time, this time last year, when we were trying to help field sales teams pivot into remote selling teams, Elvis used these ticklers to help inform the right messaging to go to our customers. And when the initiative was deployed, he used it to make sure that it was being adopted and deployed consistently, as well as being spoken about properly. What does that mean for the rest of us? Well, I'll give you a couple examples from how I use it. I have two ticklers set up. One for Belong at Gong, an initiative that I care about. Any call that finishes that has Belong at Gong in the title, I get an alert for it immediately, and I can go get updated on what the latest is for Belong at Gong. Same thing for deal drivers. I've got this created because it's a new feature, and I'm really trying to get crisper on my talk track, and I've got it set up to where when it's only spoken about by the sales team. So think about what these things are for you, right? It could be something you're trying to stay on top of, a talk track you're trying to improve on, or just habits you're trying to create for yourself. Use ticklers to enable yourself to succeed using Gong. That's it for this week's tip of the day, and we will be back very soon.